When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah.
So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, nah.
Hi guys, it's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are well. If you are new here, welcome. My name again is Tamara. I am married, mother of 2 boys, 16 and 10, and I love creating DIY, organization, cleaning videos to motivate you and me as well. If you are not new, welcome back. I really appreciate you guys just hanging with me, watching my videos, commenting, just sending me loads and loads of love. I love y'all right back. So today's video, I'm going to be cleaning up our master bedroom and our master bathroom, y'all. I know in a perfect world, our master bedroom would just stay clean, you know, day in and day out, weekly, you know what I mean? But that's not the case over here. I mean, both of us are really busy and on different schedules, so it just doesn't happen for us. But if it happens for you guys, then that is awesome. But if you need a little bit of motivation for your bedroom, then continue to watch this video. So I'm going to put a load in the wash. So washing is something that I don't like to do all the time, but I'm growing to like it and I'm trying to just stay on top of it. So I try to do at least a load a day in the middle of the week. Or sometimes I just go ahead and just wash until I get done. So I know I did that yesterday. I just washed everything that we had, folded it and put it away. I feel so accomplished. So I'm moving into our bathroom, and as you can see, this part of the bathroom where the toilet and the shower is and the linen closet is really small. So I'm trying to give you guys some good angles, but I'm using scrubbing bubbles, and what I do is I just like to spray it all over the shower inside and then let it sit, and then that way I can move on to the toilet or something else and then come back and really scrub it.
I am stressing out. I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time. Just give us time. Time. Looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be.
So I was so glad that I was able to find some Lysol wipes, and here's how I found them, just in case you guys were having the same look as I. So of course, what everybody's been doing is trying to get to the stores really early so that you can get them when they put them out or whatever. But I did a Target pickup and I went to customer service and they had them at customer service. They only let me get one, but I said I'm just have to go every other week and get some. I don't want to take it from everyone, but I was like, okay, finally. Which I have been making do by using Lysol and napkins, which I still do. But it was nice just to be able to find a product that you've used and you haven't been able to use for a while. And so I've been trying to conserve them because I like to use them for both the bathrooms in particular, just easy cleanup or whatever. So I'm going to use them as well as the Lysol spray and the paper towels.
Time is merciless. It won't wait for you to change over time. We got older, babe, yeah. But I wanna stay with you and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change. So are you gonna?
So now I'm going to clean the shower. Like I said, I let the scrubbing bubbles sit for a while. I'm also going to use soft scrub. It's another place that you guys can use it. And I got this scrub brush from Walmart. I think it was like $7 or $8. It has the extender on it, which I really need in this shower, and it's come in handy. I don't always have to like get in the shower to clean it. So I'm just gonna put some soft scrub onto the brush, and that way I can use it to clean the inside, and this works really well.
Will it be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall, never fall. Promise me, promise. Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby.
Next up, the most lived in space in the bathroom is this. I don't even know what you call it. I guess our little landing. So in our vanity area, we have so much on here. I've got to figure out a way to declutter it all and use the drawers that we have. This first drawer is full of all types of makeup that I don't wear. I have the Ipsy subscription, and you get the monthly products or whatever. I hadn't even had a chance to go through it. I hadn't even had a chance to wear it because we can't go anywhere. So I want to kind of condense it and use our drawers for our, perfume and cologne and all that kind of stuff, and just create like a cute little just decor space on top of the vanity versus all our stuff. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to go through and clean the vanities. I'm going to use Lysol to clean this as well. And then we can move on to sweeping the mirror and mopping, and we will be done.
If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say. You didn't think you should explain.
Y'all don't mind this third drawer. I've gotten something stuck behind it, and I've got to get my husband to get it from back there. I could not pull the drawer out for anything. So we got to get him to pull the drawer out so I can figure out what's behind it, and then we'll be able to close it. And for the mirror, I'm still using a damp cloth as well as my e-cloth so that I won't have to use any products. Sometimes it comes in handy. Sometimes I'd rather just use the e-cloth and like some Windex. But if you haven't tried e-cloths, I think they're really good, especially this one. It's the only one that I have, which is like a glass and polishing kit that I got. And you just use water and it like leaves a streak-free shine, like the shine that I hadn't gotten from anything else. So just check it out if you hadn't. I recommend it. You just may like it like I do.
I wanna be with you always.
You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better.
So the boys and dad were getting ready to go and get some dinner. So my little one, he's always just showing me lots of love, y'all. But that is the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and I really appreciate you guys just watching my videos. Like I said before, I hope that this video gives you guys all the motivation that you need. If you're new here and you made it to the end, I really appreciate you guys. I hope that I motivated you enough to click that subscribe button. So thank you guys so much. Many blessings to you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.